The Funeral Program Site is proud to present our professional Gatefold programs printing services. This is a done-for-you service that includes both design and printing of a funeral gatefold program. The gatefold layout is a unique and interesting way to present your program. Folded twice, it offers 6 narrow panels similar to the trifold and is available in 2 sizes, legal and tabloid. The folds are done slightly different than a trifold and is completed with the 2 side panels opening out. The simulation of the opening of a gate is why it is referred to today as a gatefold. The Gatefold funeral program is a great alternative for those looking to create something different, rather than the traditional bifold presentation. To get started is easy. Simply select your design, email us your content, and within 1 to 2 hours, you will receive a proof ready for review. Once we receive your approval, we can print and ship your programs. All programs are presented in an edge-to-edge or full bleed presentation, and printed on quality paper, in your choice of gloss or matte finish. Get started today, only available at the-funeral-program-site.com.